the JBL TUNE 120 TWS. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at the JBL TUNE 120 TWS. These earbuds are focused on having a lot of bass. I will go over the features, provide microphone samples, and give my final thoughts on them. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, small, medium, large ear tips, and a micro USB cable for charging. The earbuds have 4 hours of listening time, 16 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. It uses Bluetooth 4.2, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it comes in 6 different colors. The case is small and it feels durable. On the front you have the JBL branding and it's plastic all around. You also have the charge LED status right below the lid. And on the bottom is the micro USB port for charging. To access it, just pull back the cover. The lid doesn't feel too loose and it's easy to open. The earbuds are held into place by magnets. And on the side, you can see the playback controls etched in for each of the earbuds. The earbuds are fairly small, and on the outside you can see the branding. And on the side of the earbuds, each of the ear indicators are etched in. Each of the earbuds have the button controls, LED light, microphone, interchangeable ear tips, and the charging contacts. And the button controls are pretty responsive and easy to press. Here is a side-by-side view of both of the earbuds. The playback and call controls are pretty straightforward and laid out nicely in the manual. The case comes in at 2.7 by 2.3 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at about 60 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 13 grams. And now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the JBL TUNE 120 TWS microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone is decent and nothing really stood out. The calls come in clear and callers had no issues hearing me. If you want to use the earbuds in mono, it will only work with the right side. Watching videos with an iOS device, I didn't notice any latency or experience any disconnects. Volume levels were nice and it gets very loud. Here are my thoughts on the JBL TUNE 120 TWS. The earbuds were fairly comfortable and easy to put in the ears. Button controls were responsive and it stayed into place while running. Build and quality is pretty decent. I would have liked to see USB-C for charging and Bluetooth 5.0. The battery life is average and it would have been nice if it can push over 20 plus hours. Also, there was no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get these wet. They do stick out a bit and I would have preferred a slimmer design. Now let's talk about the sound. They were right on when it comes to the lows. The bass is pretty impressive and it has that nice punchy kick to it. I did not expect that hard-hitting sound that this produced. Mids and highs did okay. I felt at times that they were underwhelming and it didn't stand out as much. I wish it had a bit more clarity and came in a bit louder. And the treble was just okay. This is really more for the bass heavy type listeners. It definitely has that energetic sound to it, but could have been better in the areas that I have mentioned. At the price point that these are in, it's very competitive. And in my opinion, they missed out on a few key points. There are definitely other options out there, but if you like that heavy bass profile and support the JBL products, then these earbuds are for you. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.